Oh, hey guys, I'm sorry, I didn't see either. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a video on how to get Gigabit off-road hacked, which I just figured out yesterday, so it's kind of new to me. Okay, so you go on Google and you search up Tutu app, and it'll pop up. You go in here, you do your normal thing, and then you just go to Gigabit off-road mod, and then this one right here. And I know it works because I've done it before and I done it, but I deleted it just for you guys. So, if you guys want to see it, we'll do it. So, alright, well, I'm going to pause the video and I'll. Hey guys, so, and it comes to this screen, so what you do is you just do that, and I'll be back when it. Hey guys, I'm back, and it pops up as this, so you just hit open, and luckily when you do that, I'm not kidding, it's real, it's not fake, it's no clickbait, so right when it goes to this, it's going to say clouds are saving at the moment, and then it'll pop up to the next screen. It goes this, and I'm not kidding, it's real. I mean, I've been happy and been playing this for quite a while, and looked on YouTube. Found this app called Tutu app, and I got it, and I look at it, and it worked. So it means if you want to get games hacked, of course, I should be able to post a link in the description. And see if it work. And I mean, it's not, fake. It's real. And so if you want me to help you guys out, post a comment, and I'll put a link up to the description in the description thing. And remember to like and subscribe for more content. And it's gonna load, so we're just gonna play a little bit of it and get like a nice track and stuff. And I mean, it's all hacked, ready to go, and I'm not kidding. Alright, well, here it goes. See that glitch right there? Bro, you see that glitch right there? Yeah, it gives us that. And I'm not kidding, it's real. So let's just say we want to get a Doom buggy. Let's say this one. And I'm not kidding, it's real. See? We just purchased that. I'm not kidding. Okay, so let's we want to put some big old tires on her. With some big old rims. About that decent size, and put some nice tires on her. Nice rims on her. But yeah, we're not doing that many videos this year because, well, I mean, I wish I could do more videos, but I mean, sorry if you don't like this channel, just, feel free to say it, because I'm not crying or anything, I'm just trying to make more content for other people who love this channel. But yeah, see, Flex is nice. Look at that money going up. Who cares? We got enough money to pay it off. We got $867 million. It's a lot of money. Never won $1 million. Who cares? But yeah, I'm not gonna end the video here right now. And then how she looks when she's lifted. I like, doing right there. And then we just put the running boards. I don't know if we should put that on there. Really like that. I've already put goats in it. And you know, that's all you have to do. Yeah, it's simple, easy, and it's just a new process basically. It's still gonna flex. I don't know that much. Oh yeah, she's still flexing.